Hello, in this video I'll tell you how you can enable install apps from unknown sources. It is very simple. Click on your Android phone settings and on the search just search as unknown, KNOWN, yes, and see here you need to tap on this and click on this uninstall unknown apps. And if it is from Chrome, enable Chrome. Okay, if it is from WhatsApp, just enable the WhatsApp option. If it is from Drive, just enable the Drive option. And remember, this is on the Moto Edge 60 mobile, so this is on the latest Android 15 version. So this is the simple way. This works for any Android mobile. Just you can use the search and just search as unknown, simple unknown, tap on this. Or if you want the navigation, you can click on apps, then click on special app access, then here you will have this unknown sources. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.